Hey, good morning. It's Mike Shunke with Berkshire Hathaway Homes and Shift Home Properties in Scottsdale. We're actually in Ancala Country Club this morning. That's a little secret. The back 9 is a 5K if you follow the path around. But quick little market update here. I'm not gonna lie, number of sales, it's pretty much come to a halt. But it's all in perspective. It's really a normal market. If you go back to the previous 3, 4, 5 years, we're in a normal market. Biggest thing is affordability right now. You know, rates yesterday, 30-year fixed mortgage was 3.37. You can't just look at the rate because you also have to look at the fees and the costs associated with it. But rates are just going up. We keep telling you, if you're waiting, don't wait too long. It's only going to be more expensive next year. And the headlines, you know, they say prices dropping. Well, maybe. They are still up 8% from a year ago. So, what I read this morning in Scottsdale, we have 17,000. Actually, in Phoenix metro area, we have 17,000 single-family homes on the market. During the 2008 crash, we had 4 times that many. So there's just still not a lot of inventory. In Scottsdale, there was 1,179 active listings. So there's just not the inventory. Prices, you know, this area especially, it's $1.5 million. You see around Desert Mountain, $1 million to $1.5 million, and up, of course. But we're starting to see a few just hang out right a little under $1 million. This one right here, you look back, I posted this morning. A friend of ours listed this house. It's on the golf course. Tsutsumi with a realty executive. She's super cool. I posted it this morning. They got a contract on it last night. 2.185. So you're on the course, but it's private. It's got a basketball court. It's 5-bedroom, 5.5 bath, 4,700 square feet. There you can kind of see the basketball hoop there. But they're accepting backup offers. They did accept an offer last night. This guy's been putting a pool in forever. That's interesting. Let's see, commercial, ridiculous. There's another factory coming in down at Casa Grande. The problem is we have the suppliers for the chip factory in Peoria area off I-17. Well, that's the biggest funded project in the world right now. All the suppliers are coming in and getting all the industrial space. So commercial's crazy. Anybody who has anything to do with that chip factory is paying big bucks for commercial space, warehouse space. So then, you know, that brings people in. Still have, what did I see the other day? A person every 6 minutes moves into the Phoenix metro area. This, you know, we have low tax friendly this time of year. 68 degrees right now. What time is it? It's probably 6:30. I don't even know. It's funny, we had to wait for a little bit for our live market update because this is interesting. You know, look at this cactus looking pretty rough there. A lot of golf ball holes. It's beautiful. We're in Ancala Country Club. They just reseeded, so they'll open up again next Tuesday for golf, I believe. Yeah, but it comes down to affordability. We are working with a couple builders. They're offering our clients 5% financing if you go through their bank. It's worth checking out. You know, we work with a lot of mortgage brokers and lenders. Try and make it affordable for you. A lot of sellers on the sell side. We're recommending that if they can, sellers should offer seller financing. Gets a person in the house if they have good credit and affordability. You know, sellers need to help out the buyers a little bit, especially the $500,000, $600,000, $700,000 range. I know it looks like we just do fancy stuff, but we do all over. In fact, we've got one coming up next month. I'm guessing in the $500,000 to $600,000 range, over by the stadium. It's going to be an awesome It's a great property. So if you're looking for something out in Litchfield Park, let us know. We'll have more details on that later. But it's a great yard. It's a great house. So anyway, the market's still moving. It's rolling along. You know, you're going to read about the number of contracts. The industry is slowing down. Yes, it is. We do more of a private client, more focused. Look, I've tell you right off the bat, I don't do a lot of volume. I'd rather be quality. I am with Berkshire because we have the opportunity in the network to do a lot of volume. There's a lot of people we can call if you're trying to sell their house or if you're trying to buy a house. A lot of off-market things. Yesterday we made a bunch of calls looking for a horse property for a client. They're not cheap. You know, you always figure investment, 6% on your return on your money is decent. Horse properties, they want all of 6% if they're selling them. So, yeah. What else? Another beautiful day in paradise. So it just comes down to affordability and figure out what you can afford. Stick to your budget. You can always refinance later. Like I always say, I can't predict mortgage rates, but I've been through it. I've seen it. My first mortgage was 11%. And that was when I was on the interest rate swap desk for Bank of America, so we got an employee discount. People will say prices are higher now. I was looking yesterday, working on a paper about percent of income to your monthly payment to qualify. On $1 million house at 7%, you need to make over $200,000 a year to qualify for that. Which brings us to cash buyers. Cash, the past few years, was about 26% of homes sold were cash. Now we're down to just over 20%. A lot of the institutional investors have slowed down, stopped buying. And again, there's just not inventory out there. You know, our main clients coming from Washington State or California, and they've made money on that house, so they have a good chunk to put down on their house here. Here you can kind of see Camelback off in the distance. It's pretty. You know, we're blessed to live here. Every day I'm thankful just for this weather. I lived in the snow for too many years. I don't miss waking up, and we had a long driveway back in Connecticut, and had to pull out the plow every snowstorm, 3:30 in the morning, and plow the driveway before I headed down to the city. But yeah, it's nice. You just take that off your plate. Don't worry about it here. It's a little warm for a couple months. Go on vacation. It's not bad. Boy, my wife and puppy are way ahead of me. I better stop chatting here. Anyway, we're getting a little long. Anyway, that one, like I said, got a contract. One came back on the market. If you're looking in Ancala, I think it's 5-bedroom, 4-bath, 3,700 square foot. This one is under contract at $486 a square foot. One that just came back on the market is under $400 a square foot. And it needs a little cleaning up. Maybe we'll walk by that tomorrow or later on. But it's a sweet house. It's a good deal. It's $1.4 million. Fees in here are not bad. Everybody's super cool. It's real nice. So, yeah. The best time to buy a house is when the best time to buy a house for you is. You know, whether you're buying or selling. It doesn't matter what the market's doing. It's long-term investment. It's like stocks and bonds, you know. Jumping in and out of the market, you'll lose every time. But you have to have a roof over your head. You have to have a place to live. I say you need a vacation home too, but not everybody does. But yeah, housing's long-term investment, real estate. Think about, I'm 51 years old. I wish I bought every house I could when I was in my 20s, because they're not getting any cheaper. You know, like I said, we're 8% up from last year, and we're going to be up another 3 or 4% estimated next year. So it is what it is. Again, I guess I'm just trying to say, when you're ready, we're here for you. So have a great day. Be smart. Be safe. We are going to a super cool broker open this afternoon. I'm excited about. It's up in Rio Verde foothills. Amazing. Awesome views. Awesome. Just a super cool house. So maybe we'll go live there. It's a friend of mine who's listing it. Yeah, maybe we'll do that. If not, we'll definitely post something about it. So if we can help you buy or sell, residential, commercial, land, investment, whatever you need, we're here for you. Have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.